Welcome to Work Global News, where we bring you the latest insights to help you navigate your career with confidence. Today, we're looking at one of the biggest challenges professionals face: why job applications aren't turning into interview calls. The article, The Top 5 Job Search Mistakes You're Making and How to Fix Them, breaks down the most common errors that could be holding you back. One major issue is having a weak online presence. Many candidates underestimate the importance of a strong LinkedIn profile that showcases their skills and achievements. Another common pitfall is applying for jobs that aren't a good fit, which can waste time and lead to unnecessary rejection. The piece also emphasizes that networking is key. Relying only on online applications can limit opportunities, while meaningful connections and referrals can open more doors. It highlights the importance of tailoring your resume and cover letter to each role instead of sending out generic applications. Finally, the article reminds job seekers to follow up after interviews to show genuine interest and professionalism. Avoiding these mistakes can greatly improve your chances of getting noticed and landing that interview. That's all for today's highlight from Work Global News. Stay informed, stay strategic, and keep taking steps toward your career goals. For the full article, head on to workglobalnews.com.